Hi guys, it's Canolio here, and it's been a while. It's roughly 5 months since I dropped the last video on my channel, and that was the ASMR unboxing of the Redmi Watch 4. I'm going to be dropping the link to that video in the description below, but also I am going to apologize for my inconsistency in posting videos on the channel. I'm going to have a video also explaining that, but I hope to be way more consistent now I'm back in the channel. Although I have made that promise before to be way consistent, but this time I'm making that promise for good. So today I have a very special box, and this box has been with me for the past 1 year. Let me show you. This is the box. Yeah, this is from Realme. It was from their 5th Realme anniversary, which happened last year, and it features the Realmeow mascot of the Realme brand. For those who don't understand what it means, different brands have different mascots that is used to represent their brand. For Realme, they have a cat, which is known as the Realmeow mascot. It's usually yellowish in color, and this is more like an upscaled version of it, which they gave out during their anniversary. For brands like Oppo, they have the Ollie, and for brands like Xiaomi, they have the bunny, which is their mascot. Other brands too also have their mascots, majority of brands, but these are like the 3 brands I usually know a lot. Let's unbox this together. So we begin. So what's in the box? Let's take off the top. The box is pretty big, it's pretty heavy, and it's covered in lots of inscriptions. On the side, on the front, you have the Leap Up 5th anniversary limited edition Realmeow. You know, like a cat meowing, and the golden 5 number design. I like it. Then underneath we have the material, ABS, a couple of warnings for not to have this around kids, etc, etc. Side, top, and back is the same thing. So I'll just take the cover off and let's see what's inside. It was meant to know that this is a Lego set. A Lego set, for those who know Lego, this is more of a Lego set of their upscaled Realme edition. So I'm taking the cover out. And inside we have stickers, which showcases different important features like the 1TB SSD, the timer, and the 240W Super Volt GT, which is for the Realme GT series as well. So these are basically stickers you can place on the mascot when you're done assembling it. It's by the side. And we have a card, which is more like a letter to those that got the box as well. So dear friends, from Skyly, which is the founder and the CEO of Realme. This was in August 2023, so this is basically 1 year. So this was like the ticket to an orchestra, the Silent Symphony. Quite interesting. I'm taking this out. So we'll take off the wrap. As you can see, I haven't really opened this in the past 1 year, so this is more like a new experience for me. This is out. Now, get a couple of magazines. So this is the image of the Realmeow mascot once it's fully assembled from the Lego set. As you can see, it's a cross between the cat on the left and the internal workings of their devices on the right. It's basically some sort of transformer kind of set where it's a cross between the living cat and the electronic version of the cat. I feel it basically deals with the relationship between their devices and human life or human existence. So that's what I feel. There's another set of boxes inside which has this box is heavy. It is heavy. So I think I'll take this out first. So there are 2 boxes more inside, and each of them I believe contains the Lego set for building this. So basically I'm going to use this to build this. So I'm taking this out. Yeah, exactly what I said. These are Lego sets for building. I think this should be for building the base. And this is other sets of Legos for building this device entirely. In retrospect, all of these here are going to be doing this. I will show you the outputs at the end of the video. Let's go.
1 day later.
So guys, after roughly 18 hours of consistent sitting and putting more than, I think I didn't do the count complete, but I think I got almost 3 to 4,000 Lego blocks together, if I'm correct, but it should be more than that. We moved from this, yeah, which is just the box, to this. Yes, so this is the complete Realme mascot. So that's it. Then also the stand here seems to have what I feel is a knob that turns on a light, and I think this is one of the best aspects I like about this. You have lights in that can really illuminate certain properties or certain specifications they want you to see that are really prominent in their devices. Don't forget to hit the like button below and the subscribe button as well. Also hit the notification bell to be notified about new tech content, new tech videos, new tech musings from me whenever they drop. Have a blast today.